Today's top Pakistan current affairs, the 4th of July 2021, with download link available in PDF. These are the latest breaking news about Pakistan which will be helpful for aspirants in test preparation of current affairs, Pakistan affairs, general knowledge for NTS, PPSC, CSS, FPSC, KPPSC, SPSC, BPSC, AJKPSC, OTS, PTS, and other Gov jobs, exams and MDCAT, ECAT entry test preparation. Let's get started. 1. 2.5 million COVID-19 vaccine doses supplied in Pakistan. As many as 2.5 million doses of Moderna COVID-19 vaccines supplied through the COVAX facility's dose-sharing mechanism and donated by the United States. 2. COVID-19. Daily deaths hit a record 153 in Bangladesh as toll tops 15,000. 3. Indian RAW orchestrated Lahore terrorist attack. NSA Pakistani investigation into the last month's Lahore blast aiming at a high-value target has concluded that the attack was orchestrated by the Indian Intelligence Agency, Research and Analysis Wing, RAW. 4. Qureshi regrets the intel community's inaction despite evidence provided against India. Had the international community taken timely notice of Pakistan's concerns, the Johar town blast would have not taken place, says Minister. 5. ICCI utilized 100% of its budget in 2 consecutive years. Islamabad. ICCI has fully consumed the budget allocations in the last 2 financial years through implementing multifaceted poverty alleviation programs with an aim to ensure the uplift of downtrodden segments of society in true spirit. 6. ICCI calls for gender-inclusive policies to boost economic growth. Islamabad Chamber of Commerce and Industry, ICCI, has urged the government to focus on gender-inclusive policies and take strong measures to bring more women to workplaces in order to realize the actual economic potential of the country. 7. Pakistan and Afghanistan's war of words. Pakistan and Afghanistan, 2 brotherly Muslim countries and immediate neighbors, are on a serious diplomatic collision course. 8. Army. Pakistanwabda to clash in 15th National Women Handball Championship Final. Pakistan Army and Pakistanwabda will clash in the final of the 15th National Women's Handball Championship after securing victories against their respective rivals in the semifinals being played here at Kunj Football Ground on Sunday. 9. Latest gold rate in Pakistan today, 4 July 2021, is Rs. 90,100 per 10 grams, and the rate of gold is Rs. 105,100 per tola in Pakistan today. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.